So here's my new V2 helmet. I like a little visor, and then there's the hands attachments. They just lock into place, so push and turn to release, and then to fit again, push and turn them into place, and then they give a certain amount of movement. FHR, it's got a little strap, slides left or right so you can turn your head. So here we go, first test fit of the helmet in the car. Got a little bit of padding up here, but got clearance there. More importantly, even with the FHR, does exactly what it's supposed to do. Limit forward head movement, and I can still turn my head, so plenty of movement onto the side. This little thing's having trouble keeping up with me. Anyway, so that's it. Not the coolest of days to be doing it, but I have to say, that's a cracking job. I love the fit of this V2 helmet. It's got the little peaked visor. No need to run, of course. And I'm hoping I can get some of the cold air blowing into my face as well, rather than having either the visor down. Being a motorbike guy, I always feel much safer with a full face helmet. Don't know why. I think it's because I was riding a friend's Scrambler a long time ago, had a full face helmet on, and then smacked the handlebars, and after that I thought, you know what, I really value my teeth, so had to be full face, irrespective of frontal head restraints or not. So there it is. Hope you can see how it all is supposed to work. Got nice new glovies, so it's the first time I've actually sat in the car with any of the protections on. Obviously not going to put my suit on just yet. I've worn the boots in the car just to make sure that the pedals are okay, but you know what, oh yes, we like that, like it a lot. Cracking.